Hi, my name is Marshall Mosilin with metric number AN190030, and I will explain background of the case study and the problem statement. I will start with background of this case study. So first I will define the definition of river. So basically, river carry water and nutrients to all areas around the world. Rivers play important role as a drainage channel. Furthermore, rivers provide excellent habitat and food for many of the Earth's organisms. Many animals use the river for food and drink. However, rivers can be polluted easily and often cause from human activity, such as poor waste management. Hence, Sungai Segaliud is polluted due to the waste dumped into it from an oil palm factory. The waste consists of empty fruit branches, decanter cake, and palm oil mill effluent. So what is solid waste management? Solid waste management is the collecting, treating, and disposing of solid material that is discarded because it has served its purpose or is no longer useful. We move to characteristic of solid waste. The first one is hazardous waste, which can cause damage to the individual or community on immediate exposure, while non-hazardous waste is waste come from the community and include materials concerned with day-to-day life. Okay, we move to types of solid waste. The first one is municipal solid waste. After that, hazardous waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, and biochemical waste. We move to methods of solid waste disposal and management. The first one, we have solid waste open burning. This method is not the perfect method in the present scenario because it produces a lot of pollutant such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. This gas itself is very harmful for human health. The second one is sea dumping process. This sea dumping process can be carried out only in coastal cities. This is very costly procedure and not environment friendly. The third one is solid waste sanitary landfills. Solid waste sanitary landfills process is simple, clean, and effective. In this procedure, layers are compressed with some mechanical equipment and covered with earth, level, and compacted. The last one is incineration method. Incineration method is suitable for combustible refuse. High operation costs and construction are involved in this procedure. This method would be suited in crowded cities where cities for landfilling are not available. It can be used to reduce the volume of solid waste for landing filling. Okay, we move to the problem statement of this case study. On September 26, 2019, the Sabah Department of Environment (DOE) confirmed the pollution that occurred in Sungai Segaliud, Sandakan, Sabah due to factory waste in the nearby area. Amirul Arifin, as the director, said the report on the pollution was received on 26 September, and on the same day, a team of officers conducted an inspection at the river. The investigation found that the cause of the incident was believed to be from factory waste that has been identified. Everyone must be wondering why this happened. Basically, oil palm is the most important product from Malaysia that has helped to change the scenario of its agriculture and economy. However, the production of oil palm, it leaves a huge number of waste, and to dispose this waste, it requires a high cost.
My name is Sishen Shikaran, anak laki Baskaran. My metric number is AN190120, and I'm going to explain about the actions taken to solve the problems and mitigating measures. Actions taken to solve the problem. Firstly, the Sabah Department of Environment has suspended the license of the factory that is involved in this incident. This is done under the Environmental Quality Act of 1974. They are also monitoring other factories, as there is 3 more factories that is alongside Sungai Segaliud. This is to ensure these factories are not doing the same mistake as the factory that is involved in this incident. They are making sure these factories are not also throwing their waste into the Sungai, into the river. Other than that, not much has been done by the government and also the local authorities, and only the people are helping a bit but not that much. This is posing a big threat for the people and also the villagers, as their main source of income is gone and also their main source of water. Next, I would like to move on to mitigating measures. I'm going to talk about ways to prevent the same thing from happening again or to reduce the impact. The first way is ponding system. This is a combination of series of anaerobic, facultative, and algae or aerobic ponds. This system takes raw pomé and turns it into a final discharge that is less dangerous. It is low cost and has a less energy requirement. This makes it ideal for mitigating measures as it is easy to obtain and is easy for the factory to use. The second technology is wastewater treatment technology. This technology uses natural aquatic and terrestrial system. It has a low cost and also provides environmental protection. The reused water also has its own benefits. This is good because it has many advantages that is makes it easy for the factories to implement in their system. Next is electrocoagulation, and this is a substitute for a ponding system, as sometimes the DOE does not accept ponding system as it does not retrieve the requirements needed. Electrocoagulation system does not need much space and is portable. This makes it easier and more efficient than ponding system. It also has a 90% removal of all suspended solid, making it more efficient and more cleaner than ponding system. Now we are going to talk about coagulation and flocculation technologies. This technology removes suspended solid from wastewater. Usually, in more traditional ways, it uses aluminium and iron-based coagulant. But now, since technology has come this far, we can use biodegradable coagulant. One of these is called chitosan. Chitosan can be mainly found in sugars in the outside of shellfish and crabs, like crabs and prawns. This is mostly economical friendly and environmental friendly as it is biodegradable. Lastly is microalgae culturing. In this system, Pome is used as a nutrient source for culturing microalgae. This is widely done in Malaysia because of its low cost and high impact. The microalgae that is cultured can also be used as profit for the factories. Thus, this has become a very famous system that is used in most factories in Malaysia. In conclusion, there are many ways to protect Sungai Segaliud and other rivers that are in Malaysia. The government and also the factory should take more initiative in this matter. Because of their negligence, the people are suffering. They have not enough money and not enough clean water. The government should raise funds for the people and use the fine that is paid by the factory to help the people. They should also educate more and teach the factories of these systems and ways provided to help the environment. That is all from us. Thank you.